Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a triangle. Please be till the end of the video so you won't have any confusion. Let's start. To make a triangle with crochet, as usual, starting with a slip knot. Okay. After slip knot, we will take 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Then we will join our first and last one with the slip stitch. Okay, so see, can you see the small circle I've got? Small circle in between by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now every time I'll be inserting my needle from inside this circle, and I'll be taking total of 9 half double crochet stitches. Okay, whatever stitches you are taking, just take the number which you can divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now I am taking 3 half double crochet stitches. See, each time I will be inserting my needle from that small circle. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so this is my first group. Okay, and each group I'll be separating with a chain stitch. Then I'll take a chain stitch. Okay, again I will take 3 half double crochet stitches, and for in every chain stitch put a marker. I'll be using safety pins. I'll just show you. So this is like 1. Now we will just put a safety pin or a marker in that chain stitch so we don't forget. Those are basically 3 corners of my triangles. Sorry, basically 3 corner of my triangle. Okay, I'll see I've taken 3 half double crochet stitches. After that I took a chain. After that I have taken a chain crochet stitch. In that chain crochet stitch where I have placed a chain crochet stitch, I'll place a marker. Okay, so this is my first corner of my triangle. Now comes the second. So again I will be taking a group of 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and a chain crochet stitch after that. Okay, and I'll start with the next group. Before that I'll just place a marker on that chain crochet stitch. There, this is my second corner. 1, 2 and 3. This is my last side. Okay, and I'll take a chain crochet, and now I'll join my first half double crochet stitch with the slip stitch, and again I'll put a marker. This is my third corner. So wherever that chain crochet stitch is coming, those are corners, and these are sides of the triangle. Now the half double crochet stitch just beside that chain crochet stitch, see we have got 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, okay, okay, now we have joined our first half double crochet stitch with the chain stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now as you remember, we have taken 3 half double crochet stitches. We have made group of 3 3 3 half double crochet stitches, and after 3 half double crochet stitches we have taken a chain crochet stitch. Now the half double crochet stitch, or the stitch which is coming beside that chain stitch, for next round we will take 2 half double crochet stitch only in the stitch which is coming beside that chain stitch. Okay, now this marker we have placed, so this is the stitch beside our chain crochet stitch. So for next round I'll be taking 2 half double crochet stitches in that same stitch. So it's 1 and 2. Okay, then comes the next one. Okay, here I'll be taking only 1 half double crochet stitch only for the stitch which comes beside both sides of, see here, this stitch and this stitch, because this is coming beside both sides of this chain crochet stitches. Only in next round these are the 2 stitches where we are going to take 2 half double crochet stitches. Okay, and where there is a chain crochet stitch we will take a chain crochet stitch. Okay, so this was our chain crochet stitch. The stitch beside it we have taken 2 half double crochet stitches, and those in the middle only 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. And those in the middle we will take only 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, now again this stitch is beside this chain crochet stitch, this marker, so we will take here 2 half double crochet stitches. One and 2. Okay, now we will take a chain crochet stitch and we will remove a marker from here and place it on the new chain crochet stitch. Okay, and the stitch beside our previous chain crochet stitch, this is the stitch, here we will again take 2 half double crochet stitches. Middle one, again 1 half double crochet stitch. Now this stitch is coming beside the next marker, next chain crochet, so in that stitch we will again take 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. Okay, after that we will take 1 chain crochet stitch and remove a marker from here. Same thing we are going to do for all the rounds. Okay, this is the chain crochet stitch and the stitch beside it, here we will be taking 2 half double crochet stitch. One, 2, and in middle one, 1 half double crochet stitch. And here we come to the stitch which is again beside that marker, so here we will be taking 2 half double crochet stitches. One and 2. Okay, again a chain crochet stitch, and I will join with my first one with a slip stitch. I'll just remove this marker from this chain crochet and put it in the new one which I have just taken. So see, can you see this small tiny triangle? See, I've started getting my triangle. Okay, so basically formula is same. Now it's going to be same again. Now the this stitch is beside this marker or beside this chain crochet stitch. So for this round I'll be taking again 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Okay, one which are coming in middle, I'll be taking one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and one which is coming in the last beside the new chain crochet stitch. There I'll be again taking 2 half double crochet stitches followed by chain stitch. Again the same stitch beside the chain stitch, I will be taking 2 half double crochet stitches. So whatever stitches are coming beside this chain stitch, so whatever stitches are coming beside this chain stitch, there I'll be taking 2 half double crochet stitches, and one who are in middle, only one half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, now see, our triangle is growing also, and plus all its sides are same. Okay, same, none of the side is like stretched anywhere, or like any side is small and this side is big. They are equally there. Okay, so for complete triangle it is going to be same, both the stitches beside the chain crochet stitch. In next round we will take 2 stitches in each stitch in both side. Okay, then like here, this stitch which is coming beside this chain crochet stitch, for next round I'll make 2 half double crochet stitches over here, a chain stitch, then again one beside this chain crochet stitch I'll make 2 half double crochet stitches. Then in the middle one I'll just take 1 half double crochet stitch and one stitch till I reach the last one which is beside the next chain crochet stitch. There again I'll be taking 2 half double crochet stitches. Okay, followed by a chain stitch. Again I'm coming to the other stitch, other side of the triangle. For first stitch after that chain crochet stitch, I'm making again 2 half double crochet stitches. Middle one half double crochet stitch in each stitch. Again I come to the last one, okay, of this side, one beside the chain crochet stitch. I will take 2 half double crochet stitch. This is the only thing, it is going to be same for whole triangle. So I'll just make it bigger. Okay, I'll make some 10-15 rounds so you get a bigger triangle and you come to know, and like whatever you are making, so it will give you nice equal sides and a perfect triangle. Okay, it's a good practice. So this is how we make solid triangles through crochet. I'll just show you. See, I've completed with 10-15 rounds of this triangle. As you can see, it is increasing in all sides. It's increasing equally. None of the corner is stretched, none of the side is small, big. They are almost equal, and I'm going on getting a triangle bigger and bigger. Okay, so this is how we make a triangle with crochet. And if you like the video, please do like, comment, share. And those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, I'll request you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming with many such tutorial videos. You will get a lot of information. So please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.